Hello everyone, this video is about the all-in-one LogNote module. Let me show you and walk you through the flow and functionality of this module. This module is helpful for various functionalities under various apps such as sales, purchase, inventory, accounting, etc. Let me start by going to the inventory module. Under the configuration menu, I can see the category units of measures. When I click on UOM categories, I can see all of the categories visible. Let's say I want to change the title of one of the UOM category. When I change the title, that record will be recorded on the LogNote section by which user was able to change it and when it was changed. Similarly, when I go to the configuration menu again, and this time I will click on product categories. Let's say I want to edit some information into the category all. I want to change the name from all to all products. When I change the name and record that change and click save, that log will also be recorded automatically under the LogNote section. This time, let me also change the costing method. That log will also be easily recorded under the LogNote section for effective tracking. I will go to the configuration menu again, and this time I will click on attributes. All of the attributes created are visible here. I want to record a change into the gender attribute and I want to add a line. So when I click on add a line and enter the value and click on save, that change will also be easily recorded under the LogNote section by what user and when was it changed. Now, let's say I want to configure a change into the email templates. That is also possible with this module. I will go to the configured email templates. All the email templates are visible here. And let's say I want to change the title of one of the email template and I want to add a suffix for purchase order. When I add the suffix and click on save, that change will also be easily recorded under the LogNote section by user and the time. Now, let me go to the accounting module. And when I go into the vendors menu, I can see the option for bank accounts. When I click on bank accounts, I can see all of the banks with account numbers linked. Let's say I want to change a bank for a particular account number. When I do the change, that will also be easily recorded for efficient tracking for such crucial information. This is how easy it is to efficiently track change in information. Let me go to the configuration menu, and this time I want to record a change in the fiscal positions. Let's say I record a change into the automatic tax mapping. When I click on save, that change will also be recorded easily under the LogNote section. If I want to add another tax line or add another line or make any change, that will also be visible easily under the LogNote section. Now, let me go to the configuration menu again, and this time I want to change an information into the account groups. So when I click on account groups, there is an already selected account group visible. When I click on save, after changing the information, that also will be easily recorded under the LogNote section. Now, let me go to the configuration menu again and let me click on Analytic Accounting, Analytic Plans. Let's say I want to change any information given into the already existing analytic plan. When I add a line and when I do necessary changes, those changes will also be easily recorded under the LogNote section for analytic plans. This module is applicable for all the functionalities. Now, when I go to the purchase module, I will click on vendor price lists. Let's say I want to make a change onto the already existing vendor prices. If I change the delivery lead time, that change will also be easily recorded under the LogNote section. So we can see what user changed the delivery lead time. This is how easy it is to change any information and easily record it. Not only this, if I want to record a change onto the languages section, I can just search for languages, and when I want to record any information or any change, that will also be easily recorded into the log notes section by this module. Let me just change it to something unique. When I click on save, we can see that the change is visible by what user and when was it changed. This is how easy it is to efficiently track changes. Please note your queries into the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will get back to you soon.